In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this thumbnail from scratch in Canva using some AI tools. It honestly took me about half an hour to make with all of the little tweaks that I made, but the thing that I feel actually really made it work and pulled everything together in an interesting way was this blur effect that I found on Canva. I didn't even really know if Canva had a blur effect. I was really struggling with the background in this one. So if you're a small YouTuber and you're looking to design your own YouTube thumbnails without having to hire a designer for it, you're at the right place. This is actually something that I think I'm going to be showing every week for all of my thumbnails because I have to make them anyway, so I might as well show you the process behind it. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, I'm gonna go on Canva. So I'm gonna open up the file. Yeah, so now I just have a blank page. The most surprising moment in this video is when I hit the paywall. I did have a genuinely frustrated reaction because I wasn't expecting that. So I literally just took this clip, copy and paste it, and remove the effects. I'm just gonna put this back to 0. So this seems like a pretty good frame. So this is a frame that I would just screenshot. So you can just do this, bam. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is literally just gonna add it to my page on Canva. I'm gonna remove the background. And yeah, the nice thing about Canva is it just does this automatically for you and it uses AI. So I did notice that this message came up. New tasks cannot be submitted temporarily. So I literally just took a screenshot of that. So now I actually have 2 elements that I can work with in my thumbnail. So I took this screenshot from my video. I'm gonna try to recreate this and then just have that as a big thing and then just put blocked underneath. I'm gonna start by adding a square. Okay, I'm gonna add the square and I'm just gonna make it the same color as this. Oh, corners? Corner rounding, yeah. Okay, something like that might look good. Okay, and I gotta make it white. Okay, now I'm gonna try to add an element X mark. Actually, I'm gonna make a custom version. I'm gonna duplicate this and then type out X. Circle. Red. Yeah, that's looking good. Okay, I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna write blocked, bold, make it big, red, make the text white. Text white, blocked. That's pretty good. Okay, I gotta figure out this background. Maybe it's gotta be totally different colors. Can we have an outline on this? Yeah, I think we should. Okay, where's effects? Drop glow. Okay, we can do drop shadow. That actually doesn't look bad. Wait a second. Could do the same thing on this. Also, I want the drop shadow to come on a different angle. Drop shadow direction, -45. We're gonna do +45. Yep, I like that better. Same with this. Oops. What? Okay. I got locked out. Okay, that took me 20 minutes to make the first draft. Very primary colors. And yeah, it does look kind of outdated. I could do a black and white situation or literally just a screenshot of the paywall blurred. That's an option because I'm not too sure about having this blue background. Yeah, that kind of gives more context because nobody really knows what it's about just based on the thumbnail. Bring up the saturation. Okay, we're gonna make it big. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. This, send to back. Let's see, this might look terrible because usually simpler is better. Okay, so that has way too much text. We're gonna edit this. So, filters. Ooh, there's different colors. The green actually doesn't look bad. Then we got blue again. See, it's a little bit more interesting than this. And I'm also curious to know what this looks like if I were to blur it, if I can find a way to do that. Wait, what if I search? Oh, there's blur. Whole image. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks sick. Yeah, it kind of creates some mystery too. I like that. Hey, hey. So that's how I turned a kind of busy, ugly thumbnail into something that I actually like, all because of one blur trick that I almost didn't even try. And honestly, that's the whole point of this channel. You don't need to have crazy software and expensive tools to make things that actually look good. There's so many free resources out there these days that you don't need to always be hiring people. And especially with AI, if you know how to use it properly, you can really speed up the process, and in the end, you'll save so much time and money. So if you're a small creator trying to grow faster with free AI tools, that's exactly what I'm going to be covering on this channel. Subscribe if that's you, and leave a comment below what you honestly think about my design. Do you think it sucks? Do you think I could have improved in different ways? Maybe I was way off, I don't know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.